welcome guys to another tutorial from Classic Games United. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Right, as promised, I wrote a post on my YouTube channel and I told you I was gonna do a tutorial for FlatOut 1 and 2. So tonight at 12:41 AM I'm doing a tutorial for you. Right now, this game doesn't has online, but it has LAN version. It has LAN, so you could play the game on LAN with your friends, right? And since we want to use the widescreen with this game, we need to download the ISO version, right? Like I did here. Okay, so the GOG version wouldn't work with this, so you need to find a copy of the ISO version of the game, right? So I got my game from here. I already own the game on GOG Galaxy, but it does not work, so I was to download the ISO version of the game, right? So I'm gonna install it now. So remember, I need an ISO version of the game for everything to work, right? You'll need to download virtual clone drive to mount the ISO files, right? So all you'll do is just type in virtual clone drive, go to here and click download and install it, and you will add the number of drives, and you will just click OK, and you'll be able to mount a CD drive like this. Mount virtual clone drive E, and let's install the game. So once you download the game, guys, just install it. This part should be easy, right? So once this game is finished, I will show you what to do. Alright, so they will say to insert this two. What you will do, just go back and mount this two over this one. So you see what I did there? Mount this two over this one. See what I did there? Let's follow. Right, and press OK, and it will install. Alright, so the game has been installed. Alright, you don't no longer need this, you can just remove it. Alright, so the game has been installed here, but you need to patch the game, right? So what you do, go back to here and find the patches that you need. Go to PC Gaming Wiki for the game and you'll find the patches here. Download it, you need to patch it. Alright, download the patch. Okay, patch it, open up the game. Okay, just go to here, FlatOut, I don't know. Right, and copy the files right here, copy and replace. Right, and you will just let's see. you will just delete this exe, and you'll create a new shortcut here. Alright, now you can start the game to see if it's working. Alright, so it looks like if it will work. Select your resolution, select everything. Alright, then click OK. Right, so I'll be back, guys, once I started the game. I would have to turn off the music to avoid the copyright and things, so I'll be back, guys. Alright, guys, so you're back in the game, right? You need to, once you go into the game, you just need to create a profile. That should be easy. Create a profile, and I'm going to show you how the game looks like, right, without the widescreen fix. So I'm going to go a quick race. See, it looks horrible. So if you want to fix this and get the game in widescreen with the proper aspect ratio and stuff, I'll show you what to do, right? So I just see that the widescreen in the game looks so horrible. So to fix that, you will go back to PC gaming wiki, the same place you download the patch from, and you will need to download this, right? So click on this, then click on this, then go down here and download the patch, right? So you can read the changelog here. I already have it downloaded, right? So what I'll do is open it up. Right, go to where game is, open up the shortcut you created. Right, and copy all these files right here. Copy and replace. Alright, so now you can start back up the game. Alright, and should be in the proper. Let's go to here, go back to quick race, and there you go, the widescreen has been fixed. So you will need the retail copy of the game to use this widescreen fix. The GOG version wouldn't work. So now you can play the game in widescreen. So I'm going to show you how to play online now, right? Play on LAN with your friends, right? So if you want to play with your friends, I'm going to show you what to do now. Alright, guys, to play online now, you need something called Radmin. So you just download Radmin, install it, very simple, and this will be it here. Once you're done install Radmin, just go to network, join network, and type in and just click join. So this will be the network here, and once you and a friend on the same network, then you can go into the game. So if you are hosting, then your friend will just go to net play and click join. Right, but no one is hosting as yet, so you wouldn't find any game. So if you want to host a game now and you're in the same network and you want your friend to join, just go on host game, click any choose any mode you want to host, and click enter, choose your car, and start the game. So you'll need our next person to join to start the game. So once you're in the same network now, you and your friend will be able to play online and stuff, right? So this is simple and this is easy, guys, right? So that's how you'll play the FlatOut on LAN with your friends using Radmin on the same network. You could host, you could join with your friends, right? So thanks for watching, guys. This is the end of the tutorial. It was a little bit long, but thanks for having patience with me. This is how you will play the game with your friends in 2025, right? Perhaps later maybe I could get someone to join in and I could record that for you guys, right? But this is how you will set up your game to play with your friends in 2025. So thanks for watching, take care and bye. Classic United out.